Hey everyone, what's up? It's Mudasir here, and today I'm going to show you Alibaba Product Scraper version 3.0 to scrap the products data from Alibaba.com. In this video, you will see how I have extracted all these products data from Alibaba.com by using this latest version. So this is our tool. Now I'm going to explain all of its new features and how to use this tool to scrap products data from Alibaba.com. To run this tool, you will get this zip file from me. You will have to extract it, and after that you will have to run this exe file. Okay, here we have three methods of scraping. First is by using keywords, second is by using product links. For example, this is a product page, and if I use this link and make a list of all the desired product links, I can use these links. Here the bot will scrap all these products data one by one. And third option is by using category or supplier links. For example, I select a category like this one. If I copy this link and use it here, it will scrap all these products under this category, including all the pages. And for the supplier URL, for example, this is a supplier. I am opening its page, and here its products. I can also use this link to scrap all of its products, including all the pages. So we are going to do scraping by using the keywords. You can use more than one keywords at the same time. Once you put your keywords, go in the options to select the data columns that you want to scrap. I have selected all, and when all these things are done, click the start button. Okay, it has searched our first keyword on Alibaba.com. And now it will scrap all these products data, including all the pages. Okay, it is scraping the data. You can count the number of rows by right-clicking here on footer and select count. Now it is showing the number of scrapped products. It is scraping product title, its brand name, SKU, its model, and all of these data columns. And we can also download the images of each product. I am enabling it and show you how it downloads. It downloads the images by default in this folder. It first creates a new folder named with the SKU number of the product, and inside it downloads the images. Data is scraping on two places. One is here and second is on the SQLite database. Let me show you. It is also saving all time data here in this database. You can easily export this data later from here. Okay. And here you will have to type your email address. For example, I type my email and select the time interval. I am selecting on completion and click apply button. Now it will notify me on my email once it gets completed. And you can also specify the number of products to be scrapped for each keyword. For example, I type here 25 products. Now it will scrap only 25 products for each keyword. And if I enable this option, it will also export the data for each keyword separately. It will keep scraping in this way. To save our time, I am going to make the video 2x faster, and after that we will see results. Okay, the scraping process is near to be completed. Okay, now it is showing the message of completion. Now I show you where it has exported the data. It exports data by default in this folder. And as we have enabled this option, so we had 3 keywords and these are 3 separate files. Let's open one file. We had 25 products for each keyword. This is a separate file. And this is the complete file having all the products. Okay. And we can also export the data manually. Click export button. Select your output location. For example, I select my desktop and name your file here. And select the output format and export it. Now it has exported all the data. We can further edit this file. Let me show you how. Okay, our data is ready. Okay. And we have also enabled the email notification system. Now I show you how it notifies. Okay, we have got the email and it is showing that all data has been scrapped and 75 products from this application. Okay. So this is our tool. This tool is very useful for dropshippers, Amazon and eBay sellers, e-commerce store owners and wholesale importers. If you want to get this tool or have any questions, feel free to contact me. My contact information is provided in the description. And if you find this tool helpful, share your thoughts and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with our new upcoming tools. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.